everyone, today another video. I'm excited to be here. Today we're going to be talking about the best apps to manage your social media for yourself, for your client. So you stick around when I come all those apps for you. Everything about branding, managing, and optimizing. Before I jump in the topic, I wanted to invite you, if you are new here, my name is Camila and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to hit the button below, the bell sign, subscribe, so you get notified every week for ever new fresh content for you. You as a social media planner or social media coordinator, or if you're the ones managing posts and social media accounts, you definitely need some schedule tool, which comes super handy for you for your time management and for getting organized. The one app that I use that I really love is the Buffer. The Buffer is one of my favorite apps and easy to use, super manageable, nothing so complicated, no brainer. Tons of apps out there that make schedule content easy for you. Some are paid, some are free, and I tend to use a variation of tools that becomes free in the end of the day. I like to create notes, blog posts, my scratch pad kind of thing. I like the Evernote. Evernote is a good app that you can save all your content that synchronizes with all applications that you have in Evernote. I haven't used much of Evernote lately, but I discovered an app that is really handy and I love it, which called Monday. That's right, Monday is an app that help you keep going, help you delegate tasks, help you line up your attachments, everything. It's such a good app that I really love it. I'm still getting hands on it, still adjusting myself with the app, but so far it's super attractive app. It makes me super organized. So check it out, Monday, if you're not so much fan of Evernote. But I will tell you this, I start my business, my learning skills, my video content planning, everything that I have is starting the day one is with iMac Note. That's right, I just use the simple note from my iMac and I put everything there. They tend to update the iMac as iOS versions changes, and it makes super attractive time by time, so you don't have to keep downloading different apps just because you have more resources. So one of the things I do recommend, it sounds kind of silly, but having your Twitter, your Instagram, all platforms are you using, Pinterest, Snapchat, and to make quick videos and uploading directly on those channels are the easiest way around. And you're not gonna use a scheduled post to share your live videos. You're just gonna go straight from your app and just do it because it makes so easy and simple. Plus, you can show behind the scenes when you're shooting, when you're recording, or when you're somewhere special, anything you want to do in terms of videos. So make sure you have all the platforms you're working on it on your phone to make your life a little bit easier. Facebook Ads Manager is one of the tools I recommended to have it to make sure your campaigns, advertisements are doing. This is very important. Facebook Messenger is good because if you sell a product and your customers are writing for you, reviews or anything, and you need to keep on loop with people requesting services. Now, another app that I came across that was really cool is called Pocket. Pocket is a bunch of articles, information, resources that you can just save it to read later. It's kind of like creating a bookmark. So if you see some articles that is really interesting and kind of flash your eyes, definitely go ahead and save those so you can, anytime on your Sunday mornings you want to do some reading, you can go ahead and click on those and read it. So Pocket definitely is a good app to keep us in the loop with information. Just like I'll use with Twitter. Twitter is kind of the same thing. I take those articles if I check online and I save those articles on my bookmark on the computer. So you can go Pocket or you can go bookmarks on your laptop. You choose. The app that I came across that is really fun is Note. Go to your iOS or your app or your phone and make sure you download this app. It's pretty cool. You can do boomerang style on this app. You can share on text messages, you can share with your posts. So go ahead, explore this Note because it's a pretty cool app. Instagram Tracker. This app actually can help you a bunch. They can share you information of like insights and you have the idea who is following you, who is not following you. You know who are stalking you if you pay for the version. You have much more depth understanding about the insights of Instagram, and the tracker will give you the ability to know more a profound understanding of the people you're losing, the people you're not losing, change maybe strategies of your content and information. So it's a pretty good app to keep in the loop of the followers. Check your Instagram tracker, because that app will help you have a pretty big picture of behind of your Instagram. And Grammarly is one of my favorite apps. And it's one of pretty much probably one of the biggest apps for correcting yourself. Unless you have an editor on your team, or if you work for yourself, you need a Grammarly to just support you on your contents, on your blog posts. Grammarly for me on my phone helps a lot. I'm not sure, you can just put that on your keyboard. It's part of your keyboard, and then corrects everything you're texting with people or your posts. So make sure you have that on your phone so your quick messages can go easily and well written. Though I ask my boyfriend from time to time to check it out because he's really good in writings, and I am overseas. I'm not as good as he is. But if you can, take a second look is always good. Find someone who can give you a second look is always great than just an app. But the app itself can help a bunch of your time, especially for small posts. iCal give you like it's a marketing on your hands. So you don't have to worry about what you're gonna post or not. They give you the 3 choices, and you go with the 3 choices a day. So check out this app, because it's really worth it to have it on your phone, and you're not going to miss out any idea to post out there, especially if something goes off and you quick need to think in something for your business, for your presence. That app might help you. I tried out the paid version, but I kind of was not consistent using all the time, so I decided to just keep with the free version. But if you really want to spend money on those, if you think you're going to use that consistently, then go ahead and get the paid version, because it's really cool. Legend is a great app to make animations with your quotes. I do love to do quotes animation, so I put a nice picture background that I take it from anywhere, and then I post the quote, and then I do the animation. Give you options for the colors and the animation style, and then boom, and then you just save it, post it directly on your platform, and you have it. So check the Legend app, is really awesome. I really like it. You might probably can create something for your outro, like if you save as a GIF and just put it on your I'm kind of thinking something beyond the scope here, the things I can do with this app. So check it out, this app, and let me know if you can do something beyond and just working directly on the platform. But I'm kind of thinking you can create something, download, and just drop into your on your videos. So might be cool. So check it out. And my last app and recommendation for you is make a use of the iCal. That's right, maybe using your iCal for your personal matters, your appointments and everything. But I showed a video here last time that was all about creating an iCal for social media. That's right, I came up with my social media calendar with iCal. I have a video here, I'll upload it one of these sides. I never know which side will be, but don't forget to check out that video and see if you can get inspiration creating a backup plan for you, because we don't know if those apps as scheduled posts fail or something happens. We know we have a backup plan just in case. So check it out, and don't forget to like the video. So here it is, all my favorite apps in hands for you. This is the apps that I use every day, helps me be so productive, so creative, and keep me on the loop with social media and keep myself educating and learn more. Question of the day, what is your favorite app? Share with me your favorite app that you use all the time and make your life much easier. Please don't forget to comment, share, like this video for a lot of vibes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.